Ma Aruna. Where is Ma Aruna? Right. She is asking, what should be the goal of life? How can I stop being so emotional? Many people have been talking about goal of life. Some motivational speakers go on repeating that success is the goal of life. You have to be successful. You have to be a winner. You have to be victorious. But if you ask this question to a Buddha, to a sage, to Jesus, to Muhammad, to Osho, answer will be the same. That life is a challenge and you have to make it a celebration. In fact, the whole creation is based on challenge. Every living creature, every living being has to face challenge. There are so many wild animals living in the forest. There are so many creatures living under the sea. And there is none which does not have to face any challenge. Because the whole creation is based on that. So you have taken birth as a human being. You have also to live while facing different types of challenges. But how you take the challenge? If you take it as something as an obstacle in the path, then you are bound to suffer. You are bound to feel miserable. But you take it as an opportunity to grow and face it with determination, with courage, then life becomes a celebration. But to face the challenges of the life, the first requirement is know yourself. If you know yourself just as a body, as a mind, then mind will always be shaky. And while living at the level of the mind, celebration is not possible. Bliss is not possible. But once you know that you are not the body, you are not the mind, you are not the heart, I mean emotional heart, you are the soul, which never wavers, which never deterrs, then you get a different type of peace so far unknown in this world. So the first requirement is self-realization. You have to know your true self. And the peace showers on you. Then the second requirement is that once you know that you are soul, you are not dependent on anybody else for your joy. You are self-dependent. You are satiated. You are full of joy for no reason at all. You are blissful. You know the bliss now. You know the blissful soul now. But this is not the end. Once you are blissful, then automatically you will feel love. Love for the self and love for others. Then you would like to share your love to one and all. As a flower is supposed to share its fragrance with whosoever comes closer to it, similarly, you would like to share your love whosoever comes closer to you. What is celebration? It is bliss plus love. You are blissful, and the moment you are blissful, like Gautam the Buddha, you cannot just sit alone. You would like to move and share your love to everyone coming closer to you. And this sharing of love with everyone is celebration. So if you ask a Buddha or Osho, they will answer that although life is celebration because the whole creation is based on it, but you have to turn it into a celebration. And that is possible only through your spiritual growth, through self-realization, through enlightenment. But then you are asking, how can I stop being so emotional? You need not stop it. Most of the people live at the level of the body. Some are more grown. They start living at the level of mind. But if you are further developed, then you live more at the level of feeling or the emotion. Without emotion, without feeling, you cannot understand love. Without feeling, without emotion, you cannot be celebrative. You cannot share your love. Without feeling, you are not full of love. So how you are going to share your love? So this is various stages of development spiritually, living at the level of the body. Most of the animals do that. Then living at the level of your mind, thinking, use of brain more and more. Then living at the level of your heart, living in emotion, with love, feeling for others. But this is not the end of the development. You have to live at the level of your being, at the level of your soul. This is also not the final goal. Once you start living with joy for no reason at all, living in the bliss, then automatically love starts flowing from you. You start sharing your love with others, and life becomes celebration for you. And everyone sooner or later has to reach the goal of living in celebration. Let's acknowledge.